What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the Caddy. This seems to be quite a common fault with them. The sliding door runner, basically the roller inside of it actually wears and it causes the runner to scrape, and as you can see it's left a lovely line all the way down and has ruined my lovely paint. So we're gonna have to paint this door jamb at some point, but for now obviously I just want to fix this problem and get used to my door again. So in order to do this, you have two bolts, which one is there, one is there, and then another two here, because you can't release obviously the roller, because that obviously stops it from coming out from when you open the door. So obviously my door's dropped, and as you can see I've supported the door with a jack and a block of wood just to give me a decent clearance. So what I'm going to do now is just get the appropriate multi-spline in order to get these bolts out. Oh, bloody tight, man. It's gone in somehow. It's got it. Thank God for that. Well, if you are doing them, make sure you've got a decent set of 3/8 shallows. This socket's probably a bit too long, but it's done the job. Fucking hell. Okay, so now those are out of the way, we just need to get these ones out. Even tight. Fucking well loose, weren't they? Okay, now that should allow that to come out, and then the roller can come out. As you can see, the roller has absolutely exited the chat, never to be seen again. In comparison to the new one, it's got a nice little spinny wheel. So we'll do our best to slot this in. Okay, so how this works is you've got two runners. You see this little lip here, the top nylon rollers need to basically, you can move the arm straight, and then what you do is you tilt it upwards. So them rollers sit where they need to. So once that's in place where it needs to be, we can then refit this stopper back in. Okay, now it's back on. We can then wheel this over. And I'll just bring the door slowly into position. Okay, just a quick nip up with a big ratchet just because of how tight these bolts actually were. As if it wants to go back in. There we go. Okay, so what we can do now, I will remove the support from the jack and we'll give this thing a little try. Okay, so as you can see, we showed the roller being missing on the old arm, and we've also found as well that it's not swiveling, which is quite crucial when obviously the door opens. So yeah, it's not very good. As you can see, that takes quite a bit of force to actually move that around. So this thing's ready for the scrap. And the beauty of it as well, that new one that I fitted, that works pretty nice, only costs a tenner. Okay, so excuse the mess, do apologise. However, as you can see now, if I just gently, with one finger, look at that, it now rolls. Before I had to lift the door up to stop it scratching all the paint. So, result, bit of adjustment as well. So, we'll just shut the door, lines up quite nicely now, you know, no problems there. So yeah, success. I know it's a bit short video, guys. However, I've seen a few videos on these and people don't mention actually removing this section to get this out. So I thought I'd just be that guy and actually make a video on it so you guys don't get stuck or have to figure out for yourself. You can just watch this video and hopefully it'll go smooth sailing as what mine has today. Anyways, if you did enjoy today's video on the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.